Good afternoon, beautiful people from this magical place called Boquete. This afternoon we are washing, making a deep wash of the motor of this car. Sometimes it's a need for the maintenance to check if there's some leaking. Not every motor is good to wash. Like right now we are doing it. But you could, if you can't do that, we could wash it with cream or foam. But in order to have the best shape of your car. There are some areas that can get really oily, especially when it is some leaking on it. You are gonna see the process, how it gets, the after and the before. We do it really careful, knowing every part has a special treatment. So for this maintenance or any other you think your car might need, please call us. Call Boquete Mobile Services. We will go there to your house. You don't have to move there, and we will do the cleaning, the washing, the maintenance, the change of the parts, anything you need. Covering what's needed, and now the washing. Métase. You can see all the dirt is going out. All the oil is going out. Yes, that's us. That's Boquete Mobile Services. Working for the best of, getting the best of your car. We are checking every spot. It's really good and clean. It's not just a job that some washing place could do. It's a mechanic job. Specialist could do. Now we are adding a second cup of different soap, different liquid. While doing this work, we can see any detail, any missing of need of it, or to tight something, and this is a good work to do, especially when you need to sell a car, when you need to make an inspection of it. And this is the final part of the job. Now you can see how it looks. Carefully. With love. Made with love.